Hi, Chris here for Tech and welcome to the channel. And today it's the Arduino series, how to make the Knight Rider. So let's get started now. After the introduction, implementing and understanding how binary works, it is time for us to look into how to improve and deploy them. I do recommend you, however, to watch the previous video on the subjects, as this will help and make it easier for you to follow today's video. You will find all the links in the description down below, and since you are there, you have the opportunity to help me when you like, subscribe, or even comment whatever you want to share. Now, with all that out of the way, and without further ado, we will need to know what is needed for this project. And actually, it is just a little more than what we needed last week, as we already have the Arduino and the breadboard. Keeping the same things, we just need to add a little more. Of course, keeping this connection for the power. So we have the wire. Instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, we will need 8. For the LEDs, instead of 4, we will need 8. And for the resistor, still 220 ohms, we will need 8 of those as well, like so. Now we are ready. We can connect all the items to the breadboard, but if you are not sure how, simply look at the link down below. It will be for the video of last week where I show you how to connect those. For now, I'm trying simply to make sure that the connection is correct and works with our previous sketch. Once this is established, then we can go on into the Arduino IDE where we will edit the new sketch in order to look like the Knight Rider. For now, you see I have only 4 LEDs. Now I injected all for the 8 LEDs. This is done in the sketch here. And if you want the full sketch, you will find it for as low as $1 for my Patreon only. I will have all the details there. Once we upload it, this is how it looks like. But you will say, Chris, this doesn't look like the Knight Rider. Wait, let me upload the modified sketch again, and then this is what we end up with. And I hope you like it. You can see here I send a new sketch with a speed change, and here I upload the new sketch with the same speed, but this time it looks a little bit more like the Knight Rider, isn't it? So what we will do next is simply to modify it a little bit more to what I think look like the Knight Rider. And once we upload it, you can see the change, like so. I am still not satisfied with the results, although we reach the maximum that we can do. So I'm going to modify the sketch again, because I want to leave 2 LEDs on at the same time. And this is what it looks like when you upload it. Now we can use all the Arduino's connection, and this can give us up to 24 LEDs that we can work with at the same time. This will be achieved by changing the connections once more and the code as well. But this is not the scope for today's video, but it is now for you instead to let me know in the comment down below, because next week we are going to do digital read and the serial port. What do you want to see? The servo or the LEDs? But as for now, that is it for today. However, I do hope that you like this video. If you want to know more about the binary, simply leave a comment down below. I will be happy to do a follow-up video on that. And just to let you know, I started a Patreon where, may you wish, you will be able to help me to finance further projects or other content like this video. And again, if you enjoy it, you know what to do. You can do your YouTube things, like, if you want to, subscribe, you may as well, or you can also press the bell icon if you want to be notified every time I post a new video. However, if you do not like this video, simply leave a comment down below and tell me why it's so. I will try to improve for you guys. Stay safe and bye now!